So in this video, I have cotan theta times cosine theta plus sine theta equals to cosecant theta. So obviously I need to start from the left hand side because it looks more complicated. So let's break it down into cosine and sine. So cotan, as you know, is the ratio of cosine divided by sine multiplied by cosine plus sine theta. Okay, and the next thing I can do, I can have cosine squared theta divided by sine theta plus sine theta. And the next step, I can do the common denominator. Here we have sine theta, here I have 1, so it's going to be sine theta. Here it remains the same. This one, sine theta, we need to multiply it by sine theta, so it's going to be sine squared theta. And we know cosine squared plus sine squared is equal to 1. So 1 over sine theta is equal to cosecant theta.